Hey, Jim here with part 2 of the hood ordeal. Call it the ordeal because it's what it is. It is what it is. I'm going to show you how to get that dent out, and here is the secret weapon. Yeah, it's called a stud welder. Welds these little studs onto the metal. See these little studs here? It welds them onto the metal. You got all kinds of doodads, and this is $400 I paid for this, and comes with all these extra studs. I think I actually paid extra for those, but comes with these things for if you have old 60s, 50s, 60s cars that hold on the trim, the metal trim. And this is for big dents. Big dents. You weld these like a door that's caved in, and you put a hook on it and you pull it out. It's pretty crafty stuff. So anyway, I'm going to plug this in and set it up, and oh, hold on. See if I can get that on the dent here. See, there's the dent. All right. So, I'll show you what we're gonna do. See, that's a stud right there. It's going to weld on. You want to go to the lowest point, okay, of the dent right here. See, that would be the lowest point. You want to stick one right here and go along accordingly. All right. You don't want to lay on the trigger too much, because you might burn through it. See, like that. Perfect. Alright. Now hopefully with the hand tool I'll be able to ease this dent out of here. Get my hand tool. That's the hand tool right there. Gives a little grip on there. Put it on there like that. Little wheel grabs it. And you close the wheel, grab it, and pull. See it raise up? You see that? It's amazing, huh? Sometimes you can even heat up the metal with a propane torch, and right now I suggest that. Propane torch. Just get a little bit, because this old metal is thick now. So you want to heat it up just a bit. Not enough to burn your ass, but heat it up just a bit and pull. See that? Come right up. Hold it, let it cool down so it doesn't go back in. You see that? Sucker's almost up. A little bit more. Pull. Hold. 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 Let it cool down. And voila. That dent has just been fixed. See that? It's all raised up. Now we're going to go to the next lowest point right here. Ow, fuck. That's hot, by the way. Yeah, amateurs shouldn't do this at home. Well, yeah, I'm an amateur, but I try to, I don't charge professional prices. People say, hey, you should, but I love doing I love doing what I like doing. Okay, I love it. It gives me peace of mind. I'll do my own thing, and people leave me the fuck alone. You know what I mean? I'm just kidding. I'm just talking. I like talking shit when I'm making videos, obviously. So with that one, you let cool down so you don't burn yourself, and get this little booger out of here. Sometimes these are a little tricky to get off, but push in like that. There you go. Comes right off. Okay, we're going to do the next lowest point right here. Let me get another one here. Another little doodad. We're going to go right here to this lowest point here. Okie dokie. Put your, I call this the secret weapon because it looks like a gun. Well, see? Yeah, anyway, you've seen what it looks like. It looks like a gun, so I call it the secret weapon. Okay. Go like this. To the next lowest point. Okay. Do the same thing. Voila. And you can keep going, like I said, each lowest point you go around, and you should be able to get it out. Put the little doodad on there, the puller, hand puller, grab. Alright, sometimes it'll pull up, see that? It'll pull up without the heat, but see, it'll pop back in, so you want to put some heat on that so it doesn't pop back in. Get a little propane here, a little doodaddy. Heat up again, little doodaddies. Try to heat around the whole dent here, and you may get in luck popping the whole thing out at once from just that point that you've welded on. See, like that? Give it a little go. A little heat. Hold, 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 hold. Blow. Get a little cool down, and voila. See it? It freaking stayed up. Alright? Yep. Came off the hooky. So I wanted to push that in and see if it would go back in. And then the thing popped off. But get it to grab again. Keep pulling. Yep. Yep, see, it still stayed up. Alright. Now, do it to the next lowest point on this side. Another time. There you go. Got that off. See, it stayed up again. You had a nice, no dent there. Alright. We'll try to hurry up. I only got 1 minute left. Well, yeah, I'm going to pause this and I'll get back to you on the next one. And I'll show you the results because I'm almost out of time. Alright, 2.